Hi guys, today I will show you how to make origami dinosaur. So here I will use my yellow paper. It's not an origami paper, this is just a yellow sheet of A4 sheet. You can use of any color sheet you want. So now what to do is, here you can see a diagonal line, diagonal crease already. So I will make it permanent for you. Open it like this. And now here I will take this point and line up with this point. Nice and easy. Right, this is a very nice model of a dinosaur named T-Rex. As you know, the T-Rex are very wild dinosaurs. Now I will open it. So now I'll do it upside down. You'll see a crossover inside right here. I'll do it upside down, and I will take this side and line up over here onto this side. Guys, nice and easy. Line to line, and make crease over here. And I'll open it back. So now take this side and line up here with this side. Guys, did you know that I'm doing a show on after 2 weeks on the same day, that if you subscribe to my channel and I have completed my 50 subscribers, so I will make something like very unique for you. So here you have like this, you have like this. If it looks like this. Now I'll take this part and fold it here like this on this line crease, and I will take this side, push it inward. So here it will line up with like this, and I will push and make like this. Guys, this is a paper spider, origami spider base. So here it will look like this. Now take this side over here and line up here on this crease. You can see, line up nice and easy. And line this side over here and line up on this crease again from this side. Guys, nice and easy. Guys, if my speaking is not proper, so I will make it proper in my next videos. So your paper will look like this. Now here I will make an origami, a crease. So I will push it like this. And push it like this. Now open it back and open it like this. Now here is our crease. I will open the upper layer. Guys, here is our crease. I will open till my crease, and I will push this side here inside like this, you can see. And I'll make a point over here. I'll push till the point, and I have made a point. And I'll do the same thing over here. So here guys, I have done. So now I'll do it upside down, and I'll take this side and line up here on this crease. And take this side and line up here on this line. Guys, nice and easy. So now the paper will look like this. Again, make here over here the crease and push it over here like this. Guys, I'm sorry about the background noise. So now I will push the upper side till my crease, as I told you before. So I will push this side inside. So now your diagram will look like this. Now take this side and push it inside and make a point over here and crease it nicely. So here you can see. So now what to do next, as you have like this. So the guys, next I will do is take this point here, over here you can see this point, and line up on this middle line. Here is I can see a plus, so I will line up here on it. So now I will open it. I will take it upside down and do the same thing over here. Okay guys, nice and easy. Guys, this is a very nice model of T-Rex. Now I will open it. So here is one. Now these are like two wings. So open it like this. So here you can see here is like a square. So I will shape it. I will shape the square. Yes, I will open it and shape the square inside. Guys, you will make like this, like a square. Guys, you have to square this inside. And you will here like this squeeze it and squeeze the square inside and fold it inside nicely. Guys, I am very sorry about the background noise. So now here I have made a square, and now what to do is do it like this. Take this side and line up here on this crease. Guys, and take this side and line up here on this line. So your picture will look like this. Now do the same thing over here. Line up it like this, and this line up here like this. So here guys, I have made like this. So I will do this. I have done it. Now what to do is open this little wing here and like this. Do the second. Also open the second wing. I have opened from here. I have opened also from here. So now what to do is take this part here and move it outside, and here we will make a crease. Here guys, here we'll make a crease, and I will crease it. So here guys, open this line and push it inside. So on this line till this crease I have made the crease and line up like this. Now here what to do is take this line and line up with this line. So here guys, so here till this point, till this crease here like this. Now open it back and open this here and push it inside. Guys, nice and easy. Push it inside like this till this line which I have made. So guys, here, so your dinosaur will look like this. So here, look at that. Now what to do is take this part outside and take it upside down and also make it like this. Now guys, take this side and line up here with this side. You can see guys, sorry about the botheration from the background noise. Now make it upside down and line up this side with this line over here. Guys, nice and easy. And then make a crease. So here guys, I have made. Now what to do next is make line over here. Like this. And do the same thing with like this. Guys, nice and easy. So here guys, so these will be our dancer's tail and here will be the body. So here is like, now what to do is on this line I will make it like this. And open it. So I have made a crease over here. Now do the same thing with this side and I have here with this. So guys, I have made it like this. Now open it. Now guys, you will shape it outwards. What to do next is I'll push it inside this part. And these are the creases. I'll push it inside like this. I'll make a line over here. So these are our creases. Guys, I will stop it here. So guys, here is the wing. I'll shape it like this. And I will shape it here like this. And I'll make a leg over here, like this. Here is the leg. So here it is. I'll squeeze it inside. Make a point over here. And shape it like this. Guys, what to do next is make it upside down and do all the same steps which I have told you on this to make a leg. So here guys, I have also made here the leg and here the leg. So I will open it like this and close. So now guys, I have to make a head. So now what to do is take this inside, inward fold and make it like this. Now what to do is open it and make it inward fold like that and close it like this. So here is like our face of a dinosaur. So now I will open it here like this, push it back, and here is our line. So I will make it like this, imaginary line. So now open it like here like this. So here is our line. I will make on the same like this. So here is like that. Now I will close it like that. No need to close because it's okay if you do like this. So now what to do is next is, so here make a feet. So here I'll push it inside like that. Take one feet and push it inside and make feet. Push it inside like that. And here is the feet. And make the second feet by the same step over here. By small feet, sorry about that. So guys, here are our feet. So guys, like this, our dancer can stand on his tail. I'm sorry guys. So guys, this is our dancer.